Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some elegant fall home decor. And so what you'll need some of this bulk embellishment packet. This is a silver embellishment packet with pearls. And this is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now, you're also going to need some Floral diamond wrap, and this is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now, from Dollar Tree, you'll need one of these fishbowl shaped vases, at least one of them, and you'll need at least one of these glass candle holder plates. I will be using hot glue on my project. So if you'd like to make any of these components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. Now, if I decide to use any additional items, I will list those items in the description box below for you guys as well. And these are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this elegant fall decor pumpkin turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. And you could use this on an entryway table. You could certainly use this on a coffee table. Any number of uses. It's so versatile for fall decor. Let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.